Hello guys and welcome to Dozer Digitals, and in this particular video we are going to be looking at the first step of the SoSoValue eligibility criteria and how you can unlock 15% of your airdrop. Alright, so you can do a couple of tasks that can help you unlock up to 120%. But for this particular video we are going to be looking at the first 15%. Then after that you will get another video that can show us how to unlock from 30 to 100%. All right, because I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible. So if you are joining this channel for the very first time, you want to give us a follow, you want to subscribe to the channel, you also want to turn on your notification bell. All right, click on all so that you don't miss out whenever we post a new video. Okay, and you can see all of the videos that we've posted so far this year, and you can actually just look at the video and get on all of these airdrop tags, right? And this one has already been paying people $10 recording voice data. I've been making a couple of bucks from it. Okay, so let's dive straight into this. For you to boost your real user probability and secure your season 2 XP airdrop, you just click on start. Okay, the first step here is for you to participate in these 3 quizzes. All right, so it says what is the current approximate price range of Cardano ADA. So find here, let's click on here. All right, so let's go to the markets. Okay, the current price range of Cardano is 0.276. Okay, so let's come back here. All right, and the current price range of Cardano ADA is this. Okay, so let's click on this. That's the correct one. Then it says what is the current approximate price range of Ethereum. Okay, so let's click on this. It's going to show us Ether is at $2,000.96. Okay, so let's go back. Let's see what it has here. So Ether is currently at this. Okay, so let's continue. What should you do before investing in a new crypto project? Do the research. Do the research. So it's verifying. All right. So it says crypto native quiz. Congratulations. 15% real user probability is already open. So the next thing is to deposit 15 USD on Sodex. Okay. That will give you 30%. As you can see here. If I skip it and it says trade 5k USD. All right. So if I trade 5k USD and I buy 15 mag, it's going to give me 60%. All right, if I trade 20k USD and I buy 75 mag and deposit it to Sodex vault, it's going to give me 100% of my SP. Okay, the goal of all of this thing is just to weed out the bots, right? So I'm going to be creating another video that just shows you how you can unlock all of the XP. So for this one, we've done only for the 15%. Then we're going to do the video that shows us how to move from 30 to 100. So I'll see you again in my next video, guys. Bye for now.